Very good morning, my dear boys of class 11. Today I am going to start a new chapter, that is physical activity and leadership training. The first topic of this chapter is physical activity and physical inactivity. Now first I am going to discuss about physical activity. Physical activity is the inseparable part of our day-to-day life. It is the essence of life. Without physical activity, life becomes bored, dull, monotonous, mundane, and inactive. And inactive life is not at all expected and accepted also. Poise. Activity differs from persons to persons, age group to age group. Physical activity doesn't mean only playing football, rugby, cricket, kabaddi, volleyball vigorously for 2 hours, 3 hours. Even a morning walk, stroll, morning walk, evening walk, gardening, or engaging in any sort of activity, any sort of work is known as physical activity. As I told you earlier, physical activity, the nature of physical activity, the quantum of physical activity varies from age to age. To your grandfather, morning walk and evening walk, playing with the grandchildren, taking care of the plants, gardening, come under physical activity, which is very beneficial for the health of your grandfather. Now, what are the benefits of physical activity? Always remember, my boys, the definition and the concept of physical activity varies from person to person, age group to age group. 2 years of physical, 2 hours of physical activity, 2 hours of physical activity is required for your age group, whereas your grandfather needs a different type of physical activity. His physical activity or your grandmother's physical activity or your father's physical activity will be different from you. They may engage themselves playing with their grandchildren. They may engage themselves in morning walk, evening walk, gardening, traveling, attending health clubs, or walking in a park with his or her contemporary colleagues. So these come under physical activity. Now, what are the benefits of physical activity? Physical activity is highly beneficial for everybody. What is that? Physical activity reduces the risk of coronary disease, heart attack, strokes, cardiac arrests, cardiovascular diseases, many types of cardiovascular diseases. Physical activity is highly beneficial to cure this and to prevent from this. Clear? Number 1. Number 2, physical activity is highly beneficial. Physical activity helps to maintain blood pressure. Number 2. Number 3, physical activity helps us to maintain the sugar level. Those who are suffering from diabetes, all these types of obesity, overweight, all these lifestyle diseases which are due to which have become very common in our day-to-day life. So physical activity is highly beneficial for them. Physical activity is highly beneficial to control, to reduce the depression, frustration, irritation, hypertension, tension, stress, anxiety, all these psychological complications, psychological aspects which have become a part and parcel of our day-to-day life due to our faulty lifestyle. So physical activity can prevent from this. And at last, physical activity, of course, provides a good health, continued good health continuously, and it helps us to lead a healthy life with a good lifestyle. This is physical activity. Physical activity always enhances good health, both physical health, mental health. It brings emotional balance. One can enjoy life due to physical activity. It is highly essential nowadays. Thank you very much. In the next topic, I will be coming physical inactivity. Thank you.